Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular browsers from the Play Store and the VIVO X90 Pro. So, the first one is Opera. In this browser, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private, and click on the plus. That's it. The next is Firefox. In this welcoming screen, just click here, but if you have any tab opened, click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask, and add a tab. The next one, Adobe Edge. Click here on the tab icon, switch to private, and add a tab. And the last one, the Google Chrome. In this browser, click here on the arrow icon or three-dot icon, choose New Incognito tab, and now your history, completed forms, cookies files, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.